Okay, so the chain is kind of cute. Let's see. Let's just put the chain on here. And fold this back and see what we looking like. So, how's that look? Oh, that's kind of cute. The chain is okay. It's not bad. I don't know if I'm feeling the chain with the pearls though, but yeah, it's cute. I probably would use this chain for something else. I'm not really feeling it, but the chain is nice and heavy. So it is a really nice, yeah, it's a really nice chain. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's a really nice chain. So yeah, it's a good quality chain. So let's get into oh, let me show you this one last thing. If you have not purchased this, please do so, ladies, especially my older ladies. Get some new boob tape. I got some of this, and girl, these things be looking brand new. It will lift you up. It will separate. It will push together. It will have these girls dancing around like they 21 again. So, yes, pick these up. They have the wide. They have the, I got 2 wide. They have the narrow. They have the, let's see, they have the little nipple covers. Yeah, so I got some of those. And yeah, well, I got 2 of those. But yeah, get the so I got those, and then I got the regular boob tape. I got it in black, and then I got it in regular, and it comes in a roll about that big. These girls are big. They ain't small. So I did not get the little skinny ones because they ain't gonna hold these up. I got the heavy duty grandma type. The big thick one. This is going, and they show you how to put it on. You know, you can put it across to lift. You can put it up this way to lift up this way. Now I ain't talking about duct tape and nothing. You ain't got to be strapping it all up here. It shows you how to do it on the website. So follow directions. Use this to make the girls look like you're 21 again. I'm telling you, your husband will, oh girl. I know what you're saying. Some of y'all men saying it's a fake. We be thinking y'all got beautiful boobs, and then when we get y'all home, you go in the bathroom, and next thing we know, look in the trash can, it got all sorts of tape and fake this and fake that. Yeah, well, you ain't no catch either. That's just how it rolls, you know. But anyway, let's move on. So this is some of the stuff I got off of the site. So I was looking for some stuff for winter and fall, because like I said, it does not get super cold here in Arizona. But I do go away on vacation during my time off with my kids who are off in college. So there you go. I got this in a size medium. And let's take a look, because I forgot what I ordered as always. This is a little dress I thought I could wear to work. Oh, it's stretchable. It's cute. We'll see. So far the material looks okay. I'm hoping that this is not going to be super tight on me. The material is nice and thick and stretchable, so I'm thinking this is going to be okay. I do like the sleeves. I like well, I don't like the bottom of this, but it's stretchable, so because I don't like things tight on my arms. But this looks like it would be nice and tapered around my waist, and at the bottom it has that little detail, and so I do like that. I'm just a little cautious on how this is going to fit. So it does flare out around where the hips are supposed to go. So hopefully that will make it look a little bit better. And that's a size medium. And I got a whole bunch more for this site. I'm just doing this in 2 parts because it'll be hella long if I didn't. I got this in a size medium as well. I think I got everything in a size medium because all the reviews I read, it said everything ran according to your size. So there you go. And this, I don't know what this is. Well, this is a top. Girl, I don't know if that's the front. Oh, is that the front? Is that the front? I don't even know. But okay. 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 That's all I'm gonna say is okay. Cause okay, I can't figure out what the hell this is. It's got some I see some plugs here, and I see a little thing right here, but obviously it's not to hold on to. I'm gonna insert a picture so y'all can see what this is supposed to be. I guess that's supposed to be a top, and for some reason I thought this was gonna look cute, but I don't know. But anyway, this is the pair of pants, and I'm guessing one of these is the front and one of these, okay, well, okay. This is the front, and this is the back. What the hell is this? What are these supposed to be? I'm confused. I see one little thing in here that's supposed to be attached to that. What is this attached to? It's just supposed to be dangling? I guess so. I guess it's supposed to dangle. Yeah. So I must have been sleepy. Cause yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't even think I put this in my cart, but we're gonna say that Grandma had yeah, we put that shit on. Let's move on. Okay. This I got in a size medium too. I hope it gets better, cause I don't even know what that was. But let's move on. So far, okay. Oh Lord, this is a 2-piece too. Oh Lord. Okay, so this is U.S. Army. It's a 2-piece. That's cute. Okay, that's kind of cute. That's not bad. That's not bad right there. And let's see these bottoms. Okay, these are jeans. Oh, these are cute. I probably should have gotten these in a small. These are high-waisted pants. And these are super cute. Look at these. I definitely should have got these in a small, but we're going to roll with these. These things look like I'll be able to roll them up for days, but they've got little little stickers. Not stickers, but stickers to me. They got little little things on them, and I just think those are cute. They are just super cute. I probably would wear these without that shirt, but yeah, these are super, super cute. And nice quality stretch jean. Oh yeah, I'm liking these. Yeah, these are a nice high-waisted jean. These are cute. Okay, one for she. We like that. We're not feeling the little top, maybe with a jean jacket that might work out, but not really feeling the little top that goes with that, but definitely feeling the pants. This, for some reason, I got in a large. It must be some type of jacket or something. And it looks like it is. Oh my God, these will go with my pants. Oh, these will go with those jeans too. This is super, super cute. Oh, look at this jacket. Oh my goodness. Oh God, I love this jacket. I do not love the sleeves. Oh my God, the sleeves are cheapy looking. Yeah, they could have did better. Could have did better on the sleeves, but you know what? I can roll these, push these up, but the jacket, the front of this jacket is super, super cute. It is a leather, but you know what, guys? It is cute. It's lightweight. You can zip this down and kind of wear it opened up like that. It stinks like hell.